Have you ever thought about being a bird?
Yeah?
Well, of all God's creatures, I am happy that I am a bird.
Everything's fine.
When you see these friends having so much fun, you just can't help wishing you were one of them, can you?
Everything's always fine with that bird.
It dawns on me you haven't met the colorful creatures of Paradise Island.
We're all part of each other here.
Outside we'd be like wild birds, having to fend for ourselves. Why didn't I listen?
Prima does mean number one.
I hear that on the outside, they actually eat creatures, even birds.
And how would we ever get to sleep without Mom's lullaby?
Hey, we live here too! Me! No! Me too! You mean me too? No! Me too!
We mustn't forget the most important person here, Mom.
Birds of Paradise, just winging it. Based on true tales of Supreme Master Qinghai and her feathered family. Birds of a feather, everyone. Get it now on DVD.